Hi, my name is Monte Alfaro, and I'm going to be telling some jokes today. I went to the aquarium last weekend, but didn't stay for long. There's something fishy about that place. What do you call a happy cowboy? A jolly rancher. Why are Christmas trees bad at knitting? They always drop their needles.
Hi, my name is Christopher Miranda, and I will be telling you some jokes. So, the first one, what does the ocean say to the person who said hi? Nothing, it just waved back. Second one, what do gamers use to bake bread? Nintendo. And the third one, what do you use to count cows? A calculator.
Hello, my name is Evan Leung, and I have 3 jokes for you tonight. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Old lady.
Old lady who?
Wow, I didn't even know you could yodel. Did you hear about the kidnapping at one of our schools lately? On the bright side, I think they woke him up. What's the difference between broccoli and boogers? Kids won't eat broccoli.
Hello guys, my name is Charlie Miranda, and I'm going to be here telling you some all jokes today. You ever notice how you have fingertips and not toe tips, but you can tip toe and not tip finger? The only advice a sword can ever give you is to stay sharp. And what is black, white, green, and bumpy? A pickle in a tuxedo. Thank you.
My name is Arlo Spurgeon, and I got a few jokes. Yeah. Why can't a bicycle stand on its own? It was too tired. What's more amazing than a talking dog? A spelling bee. My son told me to stop acting like a flamingo, so I put my foot down.
My name's Colette Ritchie, and I'm going to be saying some jokes. I went shopping for a pair of camouflage pants, but I couldn't find any. What's a zucchini's favorite sport? Squash. What kind of car does a dog drive? A Ferrari.
Hi, I'm Meredith Brennan, and today I'll be telling some jokes. What did the lunchbox say to the refrigerator? Don't hate me because I'm cooler. What's a cat's favorite instrument? Percussion. Did you hear about the new squirrel diet? It's just nuts. Thank you.
My name is Tyson Edwards, and I got some jokes today. Why shouldn't you tell jokes in a cornfield? There's too many ears, someone could steal it. What kind of underpants do lawyers wear? Briefs. Did you hear about the argument between 2 rowboats? It was an ordeal.
Hello, my name is Joel Graber, and I'm going to be telling some jokes. I was wondering why the baseball was getting bigger, and then it hit me. What did the grape say when it was stepped on? Nothing. It just let out a whine. Have you heard my dolphin jokes? They're bad on porpoise.
Hi, I'm Jacob. How can a frog jump higher than the Eiffel Tower? The Eiffel Tower can't jump. Why did the phone get glasses? Because it lost all its contacts. Why did the strawberry cry? Because it was in a jam.
Hi, I'm Evan Costa, and I'm going to be telling you a few jokes. God, being friends with Dracula is such a challenge sometimes. He's just such a pain in the neck. It was easy to stop women from eating Tide Pods, but I just couldn't deter gents. I'm so bored at work all day, so at my soda crushing factory. It's just so depressing. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Gia. Today I will be telling some jokes. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Owl.
Owl who?
I will see you later, alligator and a wild crocodile. The next joke I will be telling is another knock, knock joke. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo who?
Kangaroo to play. Let's hop to it and have a wild time in the great outdoors. The last joke I will be telling is not a knock knock joke. Panda, aren't you glad we're having a roaring good time in the wild outdoors? Thank you.
Hi, my name is Christopher Miranda, and I'm going to be telling you some jokes. Alright, so the first one. What? Alright, so the third one.
Hello, my name is Evan Lee Young, and I have 3 jokes for tonight. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Old lady.
Old lady who?
We have to redo it.
Why?
You hit the green screen by accident. What am I supposed to? I'm Colette Ritchie, and I'm gonna be saying some jokes. Cut. I'm sorry. My name's. Oops. What's a zucchini's favorite sport? Squash. Oh God, these are so bad.
Hi, I'm Meredith Brennan, and today I'll be telling some jokes. What did the refrigerator... Oh my God, I messed up.
I was wondering why. Oh, shoot.
Sorry, I kicked the mic. It was easy to stop women from eating Tide Pods, but I forget the... I forgot the joke. I forgot the punchline.
The last one. Pendant, you glad we're having a roaring good time in the wild outdoors?
Quiet on the set. Cue talent.